Ecoplaso. With the project Ecoplaso. In Mexico, 34% of the produced food, or in numbers 20 million tons, are wasted every year. The environmental, economic and social impacts are large. On the other hand, plastic pollution is one of the primary environmental threats to our planet because only a small part of plastic waste is recycled. In order to change this, Ecoplaso transforms organic waste, like peels of fruits and vegetables, into bioplastic. It can be used for the production of disposable plates, straws, bags, furniture, or toys. Bioplastic replaces petroleum-based plastics and is 100% biodegradable and compostable. These features make this material ideal even for the use of products with a short lifetime.